Hey everyone, welcome back to Raspberry Rock, where all your dreams come true. Dream about your tail is whipping the tripod. That's a little better. So, where all your dreams come true, and some nightmares. We'll call them Russell mares. So it's kind of a crappy day here, but just overcast. It rained like crazy overnight, like just cats and dogs kind of thing, and it woke me up several times. So it's looking really strange out there right now. So I got a couple of things I want to do this morning, and then I got to head into town and grab some stuff. But one of the things I want to do, I want to see how deep the ice is. I'm gonna grab the chainsaw and make a hole. Oh, little girl, little girl. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. When I get talking, you know you're not supposed to do that. Now sit nicely. Hello. Sit nicely. Sit nicely. Hello. There you go. That's a good one of yours. All right, place your bets, place your bets. How deep do you think this ice is gonna be? In fact, here's what I'd like you to do. Pause the video, go down in the comments, tell me how deep you think the ice is gonna be. And then after I do this, go back to your comment, reply to it, and let me know, were you close or what do you think of the end result? Right now, do it. You already did it. Okay, sorry, I apologize. It's hard for me to tell. I'm on this side of the thing, you know? The thing. This might be a bit of a challenge. It's like there's a layer of like really soft ice and then there's a layer below it. All right, I'm gonna. Okay, that's weird. Alright, I gotta go get my crowbar. Oh, come on. There, right there. I can feel it in right there, so that's how deep the ice is. Can you see that? Yeah, I can feel the edge right there. Right there. So who was worried? I'll take that bike up and measure it for you guys. I gotta hold it like right there. Shit. Alright, I carried this all the way up here. With the camera. That is 17 and a half inches. 17 and a half inches of ice. So who was right? You guessed? Were you right? Were you even close? How many of you thought there was less than 6 inches? I'm not taking it there. You know where I know where you want me to take it. I'm not taking it there. 17 and a half. That's pretty good. I could still run the ATV out there. It's just that top layer. I don't know, there's some squishy stuff in there, you know? And just I could take the ATV out. I couldn't drag anything back through that crap. I couldn't drag a tree back. And I don't have my trailer right now. The trailer's with Mr. Wizard. Anyway, I gotta clean some stuff off here, get the water off it. And then my next project has to do with the wood stove. And live streaming, oddly enough. Yeah, let's check it out. Shit. It comes off easy. Yeah, so I want to replace the glass in my wood stove because it's not completely transparent. It's blurry. I know it's a bit dirty as well, but yeah, I don't know what. People have often asked me what kind of wood stove it is because they like it and maybe they want to get the same one, but it's just the only label on the back of the wood stove is for a numbered company in Ontario. I can't imagine how old this thing is. But I gotta take the glass out to measure it and then I can order new glass for it. I wasn't sure how to take it apart, but now that I have it apart, now that I have it out, I can see it's just a flathead screwdriver. So. Oh no! This could be a problem. This has probably never been done before. No, I'm just ruining the screw. Shoot. Now what do I do? If I drill the screw out, I don't have anything to replace it with. I need my wood stove. Come on. Nope. Oh. Well, that's a shame. And I know Mr. Wizard can get it out, but I can't really afford to not have my wood stove working. So I have to think about that one. Shoot. what the hell's going on. I'm well, not that far. I can see the cabin. It's right over there. And I was sliding all over the place. Like, I'm not staying on the trail at all. Oh, it's very light underneath it. Yes. I'm thinking maybe today isn't the best time to go to town, unfortunately. As soon as you go off the trail, it gets a lot deeper suddenly. Okay, so it's mild today. It's like +1 Celsius, 33, 34 Fahrenheit. If all of this freezes again, then it'll be a nice hard crust for the ATV to drive on. But right now it's shitty. I don't even know if I can get out of this spot right here. I did not plan this. I set up the camera. I was driving along thinking, this is awful. This is brutal. I better film some of this while I still can. And yeah. Okay, I guess we're heading back. That's unfortunate. I really wanted to get a sub today. Pause the video and let me know in the comments what kind of sub do you think I would have gotten today if I went to town. You know the drill, right? We did this before. Okay. We're going back. I'm really sorry. I decided to take them today, thinking they get some good exercise. It's really difficult to get exercise these days because it's, you know, the deep snow makes it really difficult to get out and around. Crumbs. How do I turn around? I'm gonna have to back up all the way to the cabin. Or just leave it here. No, I'm not leaving it. Okay. I'll reposition the camera though so you can watch me struggle. Okay, so here's where I am with the camera. I can feel that my foot goes down and then it slides, like it just slides sideways, which is really, whoa, that's so weird. Like it just, that's exactly what's happening on the ATV. You go like right down, and there's a rock right there, and then you just slide. That's so weird. I'm out here trying to do my weekly chicken thing, and the weather is just crazy. Like the temperature's dropping like 8 degrees in the last couple of hours, so it's like -6 Celsius right now. And apparently it's going down to -18 tonight, and a high of -4 or -6 tomorrow, something like that. Celsius, of course, which is probably a good day then for tomorrow to go to town, because everything will be frozen, the track will be frozen, and the ATV should do fine. What a day this has been. Like, there's a cloud front coming. Let me show you this cloud front coming in. Actually, I don't think it's a front. It's just clouds have been rolling through here all afternoon, but that just looks cool. I just went down the trail a little ways to see, and snow is nice and crunchy hard. So I think today is the day. Tomorrow's going to go back up to 5 or 6 Celsius. Weird, right? Possibly rain. It went down. I saw it like -16 last night. It might have hit -18. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the day. Are you ready? You ready, little girl? You ready? Is everybody ready? Okay, let's do it. Spot that I almost got stuck yesterday, but I wanted to show you. Might be hard to tell because we're in shadow here, but this is where I was walking and going right down to the bottom. Yeah. Oh, I thought maybe I'd stay on top. Almost. Maybe if I was. Oh! You're getting the rustle. Oh. I regret all my decisions. Oh. Hey. Look at you. You weren't up there yesterday. All right, let's go. Shall we go? Well, I'm back, and I didn't get to town. Today's been a real shit show, which is kind of normal for my videos, I guess. Russell the shit show. Raspberry Rock shit show. Yeah, so there's a bell on Willow's collar. It's mainly for hikes, so that, you know, bears, right? Anyway, yeah, nothing but problems. First, the high temperature light was coming on my ATV, so that time when Ray was right again. He kept saying, I smell coolant on the ride in and the ride out. And I kept thinking, do I smell it? I'm not sure. Do I smell it? But yep, I apparently got a coolant leak somewhere. So that slowed me down. And then my batteries in my GoPro. I had two batteries. They both died. And I have a love-hate thing with my GoPro 8. It's been great for video, but it's got some quirks. It's just buggy. It's just fucking buggy. And the battery situation is, when the battery gets low, it'll pretend to do video for you, and you don't find out until later that it didn't really do the video. Like, there's no warning messages. It doesn't say, hey, this isn't working right, or battery low, or just pretends to take video. So I don't know if I got any good video from out there. I swapped the battery out, and then, I swapped the battery, and when I found out it first happened, and then on my way back in, I tried to do some more video, and the same thing happened. So I don't know if I got any video out there. You'll know by now, because that preceded this, so you'll have seen. What else? And then my car wouldn't start. Battery's dead. Well, not dead, but it was a click, 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 click thing. And I thought, I just bought jumper cables because I don't know what happened to the jumper cables in my car. They disappeared, so I had new jumper cables. I thought, well, I'll jump it with the ATV. It might work. There might be enough battery power there. Nope. And I'm the kind of person, I don't like bugging people. I could have called Mr. Wizard to see if he could come over and give me a boost, but I don't like bugging people. I'm sure he would have done it. He's one of those guys, right? So we just came back. I'm really bummed. Okay, so it's about 5 o'clock. Sun's getting low. Sun's getting real low. So I'm gonna go in and have dinner. I just happen to have some coolant here in the workshop, so in the shelter. So I fixed that problem. I've got my hold on a second. I got one of these. I used to carry this in my car, and it saved my butt a few times. It's one of those quick jump start thingies, and they're great to have in your car. If I was driving a lot these days, I would keep it there, but in my car. But so I'm gonna let it charge overnight and take it out. But this thing's like 12 years old, 15 years old. I don't know when I bought that. A long time ago. Maybe not that long. Maybe 10 years. But anyway, it's pretty old now. It saved me a few times, but will it work this time? I don't know. Last time I tried to charge it, it kind of never finished charging. Like the light would stop flashing and then would start flashing again, kind of thing. But I might try that tomorrow. I want to go grocery shopping. I'm out of produce. Like I got a little thing of lettuce left. Like I might get like one salad out of it, except I got nothing but in the salad. No cucumber, no tomato, no carrots, no anything else. I got olives. I could have lettuce and olives. A lettuce olive salad. Yeah, there's no way in hell I'm doing that. Anyway, that's it. That's it for today. I'm bummed. I'm done. I'm just bummed. The only good thing about today is that the girls got some good exercise. They got some good exercise. It was a nice day. We got lots of solar power. 4.8 kilowatt hours is good. That's a good day. I'm going in. Fuck it. Well, I finally made it to town and back. Didn't take the dogs and I didn't take the camera. I had a GoPro, but anyway, this thing did the trick. Great little unit. I'm surprised for being as old as it is. Well, yeah, I know. Alright, loaded up with stuff. I didn't get over to the Wizards to get my trailer. It was getting a little late in the day, I didn't want to be on the road in this kind of... it's not that dark, but you know what I mean, right? Anyway, time to unload. Why can't you help me unload? That's so heavy. Welcome to Thursday. Question for you. I know the level of the pond is down, but could you guess how much? There's one really easy way to tell. Come with me. Come. That's not close enough. That's not close enough. That's better. Look, down there. I can't see the view screen at all. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I can't see anything. Hopefully this is working. Is it even on? It's too bright out. So, last fall, if I can find the video, I'll stick it in here, but I might not be able to, but I know that last fall, the bottom of this, I'm not talking to you. The bottom of this was actually underwater. Would you come closer? Closer. There. Can you? I still can't see anything. Yeah. So this bottom bar was underwater. Now look at how high it is. I brought a measuring tape. Yeah, so it's dropped at least 12 inches. It's pretty interesting how far that's gone down. It's pretty interesting, like, and that's all happened since this is frozen, so the whole frozen area has gone down. But you know what's happened? Like a few days ago, this was really tough to walk through because it was like a crusty layer of snow and then 6, 8, 10 inches of slush underneath. And it's all like melted down and frozen up. You know what that makes it good for? Exercise. You want to get some exercise? We're gonna go around the pond and we're gonna go really, really fast. You ready for this? Can you go fast? Can you go fast? Okay. Russell, start the music. I like it. That's a good choice, Russell. Excellent. A+. Okay, here we go. Generally it's not a good idea to fall down out there, because like every time Junebug goes out in the ice, he's got to drop a deuce for some reason. Oh, good workout. This annoyingly is my third time filming this. Bit of a long story, but I had my good camera outside set up for a star lapse. I thought, well, I'll use the old camera and just film this a little bit. And I tried twice, and each time it was like, I'm all blurry, and it's just an awful picture. So, which is funny because the first time I said, I'm cooking my dinner on the wood stove. And then the second time I was like, well, I've moved to this stove because it was either I had a lot more wood to the fire or I'm not having any dinner. Well, now I'm filming it, I'm eating. It makes no sense. I'm having mashed potatoes, and I put, can you see that? Yeah, brisket. So it's on the mashed potatoes. Can you see? It's actually quite good. So you wouldn't have seen that if I'd used one of the earlier takes, which was, yeah. Anyway, stay tuned because I'm gonna try and get a star lapse. Oh yeah, so I want to update you on the leaky roof thing. Here's where I'm at. I don't think it's condensation. If it was, it would be happening every day here, right? And it hasn't. I haven't seen that in 3, 4, 5. How long have I been here? 5 years now? 4 years? Haven't seen that at all. I don't think it's a leaky screw because 2 nights ago we had a huge rainstorm here. Woke me up several times during the night, and there was no new water there. It was all dry. So I'm down to, I think it was just ice buildup. The night before I found that water, the roof was covered with ice and snow. Remember, I think I said all that stuff came flying off. It took about 10 seconds for it all to shoot off. That's the next day I found, is when I found the water. So, I don't even know if I need to do anything about it, really. You know? It happens once every 4 years. I thought water's going to just drip down behind the knee wall. Is it a big deal? I mean, you let me know in the comments below. I don't think it's a big deal. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat my food and look forward to a star lapse. Hopefully I get it. And we'll see you shortly. Okay, so I totally cheated. That was an old star lapse. I totally forgot that it takes all night to get a star lapse. I gotta leave the camera out there, like taking pictures all night long. And in the morning I go out and grab it and see what I got. I forgot. How could I forget that? I don't know. But that was a good one. If you miss it, there's a little bit of Aurora Borealis there in the corner, in the bottom left corner. Yeah. Really cool, because I don't generally see it where I am here. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to leave a comment. It's the single best thing you can do to help out this video do better on YouTube. If you don't mind, help. And we'll probably see you at the live stream. The live streams have been great lately. No problems with the internet. Don't know why. Don't know what's changed, but I'll take it, right? And we'll see you next time. Peace out.